Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So past 2 days we are discussing about Maths and Physics case study questions in CBSE 12th standard. So now we are looking into the chemistry subject. So we already explained what is mean by case study questions and what are all the expectations from case study questions and what is the question pattern mock pattern in case study questions. So we already discussed about these things in past two videos. If you have any doubts on this, please refer previous videos like 12th standard CBSE Maths case study questions and also the 12th standard physics case study questions in CBSE section. Okay, you can check it out in our YouTube channel in the playlist of CBSE. Okay, now we are looking into chemistry subject. So as well as same as previous, we are planning into the two different part of videos for the case study questions in like Maths and physics and chemistry also and other upcoming subjects. So chemistry subjects, we are entering into the first part of case study questions with detailed solution. So you can check it out. So what are all the questions in the base of case study? The first question is, read the passage given below and answer the following questions. First of all, we just explain. So though in this in this video or in this PDF, we just put it out around 15 questions in a case study matter. So these 15 questions is combined with all the chapters in chemistry. So in after the next wise, we are planning to provide chapter wise case study questions. Okay, so initially we just provide a combine of all the chapters in the chemistry subject. Okay, you can just follow it video and the PDF. First one is, read the passage given below and answer the following questions. So first and foremost things, before you attend the case study, you have to read well in the question section. They will provide they provide any passage or image or something in the question section. You have to read well before attending the case study. Okay, you can just follow and you can just read the passage, starting from most important crystallotics or the simple cubic. So starting from that and ending with the cubic close packing. Okay, this is the packet, this is the passage. Okay, using that passage, they are asking four different questions. Okay, I think four different questions. Look at the first one. They are asking in the assess and reason manner, and the first one and second one also. Okay, before you answering the question, you have to read the passage as well as question. Okay, the first question based on that particular passage, the assess and reason both are correct statement and reason is correct explanation for assess. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, we just provide the answer for here. The assess and reason. The assessment is face-centered cubic cell has 4 atoms per unit cell. The reason is, in FCC unit cell there are 8 atoms at the corners and 6 atoms at the face centers. Okay, this is a kind of assessment reasons matter. The second one also follow that same assessment reason, and fourth one also the follow the assessment reason matter. Okay, the first question fully based on assessment reason in the kind of case study. Okay, this is what we said yesterday and the day before yesterday. How to read well in the passage or the question section in case study. Okay, the second question, move on to the second question, the same as read the passage given below and answer following the question. They are giving something related to the equations like that. Four different questions asking based on above passage. Okay, the following questions are multiple choice question. Choose the most appropriate answer. Okay, it will be more easy for your attending purpose. It asking as a it asking like a multiple choice compared to assessment reason and other question types. Multiple choice question is much better compared to assessment reasons and subject based questions. Okay, we have just look at it. What are all the questions is modality of the given solution is. So they're giving 4 different options, followed by second and third one, fourth, 4 different questions based on above passage. So QB65 provide the detailed solution with explanation for each and every section. Okay, the first answer for 0.0336, option B. For the second one, the option is um, yeah, option is C, 373.02K. The third one, like D option, 0.067K. So follow that, we just explain the way of answer for the fourth one. Okay, you can just follow it. If suppose if you want that particular PDF means, go with the description. We provide the PDF downloadable link. You can get it and download it and use for your case study purpose. Same like as the first question, they're asking 4 different questions in the manner of association. Okay, so not only case study questions, we provide all the kind of question patterns like hot and value based and NCERT and NCERT exemplar, and also previous year questions like a Delhi set 1 and 4 in question papers. All the things will be provided by us, so you can just follow our YouTube channel. You will definitely get a complete study material for your exam preparation. Okay, we just provide our blog and study material site below in the description. You can just go there and check it out, what are all the study materials available for 12th standard for CBSE section. We can just provide all the things starting from NCERT solutions and NCERT books and syllabus and important notes of by chapter, and also different kind of author solutions for NCERT questions. Okay, you can just follow the study material. Also we can get it complete information about your subject and chapters. I can just scroll it down in the video. We can just see what kind of question asking by NCERT in the base of case study. If you want to download the PDF, you can just follow the description. You can get downloadable link, download and get it use for it. So all the kind of questions compared to physics and maths, in chemistry they are asking in a paragraph manner. In maths and physics they are asking like imaged and other than equation based. So compared to maths and physics, it will be more understanding point of chemistry. They are asking in a passage based wise. So it's quite easy. It's quite easy, not too much easy compared to physics and maths. So in that PDF we just provide around 15 case study questions with the detailed solution, and also as soon as possible we are launching the exam preparation app by QB365, which is for purely for 6th to 12th class students based on CBSE and Tamil Nadu board students also. So in that application we are in the concept of practice, test and analysis matter. So what is mean by practice? You can just practice around 10,000 questions per subject. You can just read it out as a question and followed by the answer and all those things which is related to the subject. If you are taking maths, means in that maths we providing all the questions like starting from MCQs and ending from 5 mark and 3 mark sections. You can just read it out starting from question and followed by the answer. So second one is test. As simply as soon as already you know, we just providing more than 2000 plus MCQ test for your understanding and your exam preparation point of view. Because the upcoming 2021 public exam is fully based on MCQ pattern and case study and other than the new question type patterns. So 2021 public exam will be in the base of 2 different phases. The first phase will be conducted on coming November and December. So before that you have to know the multiple choice questions matters and case study matters and other important question matters. All the things will be provided by us in our YouTube channel and also our study material blog and also our mobile application. It will be launched as soon as possible. And also in that mobile application, after completing the practice and test, analysis means you can just take it your complete report about your practice and test, all those things. We just provide and explain what are all the things for your strength and weakness, all the things which is belonged to chemistry or physics or maths and your related subject. It will be more helpful in the exam point of view. So what are all the mistakes done by you in particular chapter or subject. So you have some time to recorrect the process. I just provide the PDF downloadable link in description. You can just get it out. You can just download it and get the information peacefully. Okay. And thank you so much for your watching, and thank you so much for your support. If you want, till now you don't subscribe our YouTube channel, you can just subscribe. Then only you can get the complete study material tips for your related subjects and for your related standard. Okay. Thank you so much for your watching, and bye bye from Tamil from until the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.